Today I'm going to be showing you how to register for the Highmark Walk for a Healthy Community. So here we are on the home page. It says Meals on Wheels of the Greater Lehigh Valley and has our logo below. So I'm going to show you how to register as an individual. So you'll see these 4 blue blocks right here. You're going to click to register as an individual. It's going to ask you if you participated before. I would recommend selecting no, even if you have, just because it's been a few years since we've done it, and most people probably won't remember their login information. So we're going to click no. It's going to ask you if you're a walker or a Highmark Health employee. Select walker, which is the top one here. You can set a fundraising goal, and then you can also donate towards the goal today. You don't have to, but I'll just put $10 here. You're going to click next step. Then you're going to fill out all of this personal information. So once you've filled out all of your information, you're going to click next step. And then you'll see this waiver right here. So you can read through it, and then once you're done, you're going to click this little box down here that says, I agree with the terms and conditions above. So click that, and once that is selected, you'll be able to proceed to the next step. So here it's going to say all of your information that you've put in, so double check that to make sure it's correct. And then once you've checked that, you're either going to click complete registration if it's just you registering, or if somebody else is registering, you'll click register another person. So once you've registered and click complete registration, it's going to ask for your payment. So if you've decided to make a donation, you'll be able to submit your payment, and then you'll click process payment. And that is how you register as an individual.